I'm Justin Van Blaricum.
And I'm Josh Yurton.
2 years ago, we had the crazy idea to quit our 9-to-5 jobs and start a company building custom camper vans.
See, we have this crazy conviction that life should be an adventure, and we figured it was time to start living ours. So together with Justin's wife, Carrie, we launched Noke Van Co.
We started in a tiny rundown warehouse that we shared with a window and door supplier.
It was so small we could only fit one van inside. So what began as just a couple of guys building vans down by the river has turned into a growing company in the heart of historic Roanoke, Virginia.
Now Noke Van Co is a wild collection of craftsmen, engineers, adventure junkies, and weirdos.
We have a lot of fun, but we're also serious about creating beautiful mobile spaces for your adventure. So today, in our 34,000 square foot World War II era warehouse, we build, upfit, and modify custom camper vans, campers, even a schoolie or two.
All of our designs bring the collective experience of over 50 years of build experience.
But one thing's for sure, we are passionate about bringing the functional and the beautiful together to create the camper van of your dreams.